Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to create arts using Midjourney. So they are AI generated arts, and you can use your imagination to create the art that you have in mind. So all you have to do is go to your app store, or if you are using, you can open your Play Store and type Discord. Okay, so that's the app you need to have. So it's coming as a first search result. So it's Discord, and I've already downloaded it, so that's why the button shows that update. And all you have to do is like put your uh, once you download it, you need to put your email or your phone number and get registered. It's pretty straightforward, nothing special there. So once you have downloaded the app, you can just uh, open it and set up the app. I've already set up the app, so I don't have anything to do. So then the next step is, there's a link in my description. All you have to do is go open my description and click the link. So this is the link I've included in my description. All you have to do is click it, and then it will take you to the Discord app, and there you'll see two buttons at accept invitation and never mind. So you have to accept the invitation. Okay, and then this is how it looks like. So you can just close it, and then there's a burger icon on left of the window, and you can also click this view my channels, and then you need to click one of the newbies channels. So you can see here newcomer rooms, newbie 3, newbie 33, likewise there are different numbers. Okay, so you just need to click one of them and see whether you can enter. So you can enter the chat. Okay, you just need to click a newbie channel. So these are the arts generated using the bot. So you can also do the same. So all you have to do is type a message. Okay, so just go to the message box and type this. Okay, imagine. Okay, slash imagine. Okay, so there's a suggestion coming up, so you can just click it, or else you can type the full thing, and this is how it look like. Okay, imagine prompt, you need to type imagine prompt. Okay, once you type imagine like this, it will come up. Okay, so you don't have to type the whole thing. When you type, even if you type im, it will come up. Okay, so here's the thing you need to pick, and then you can type anything. So for an example, you can type anything that comes to your mind. For an example, let's see, so we can try typing aliens dominating earth. Okay, and see uh, what's coming up. Okay, once you put the message, okay, once you type it, you need to keep track on your message. Okay, so this is the message I put is still generating, is still at 12%. You need to, there are plenty of people joining have joined the same channel, so you need to make sure where your message is at, otherwise you'll lose it. Okay, so here's my message. So it's still loading, still 56%. So you can see it's generating. So you just have to wait for a while, it till it gets to 100%. Okay, meanwhile you need to scroll up, otherwise your message, your project will disappear. So it's almost done, it's 95. Okay, I think I missed it. See, if you lose track, then it'll soon be gone. Okay, so now I need to find it. Okay, by scrolling down. Okay, Okay, now I got it. So this is what they have generated. So you can just this buttons, you can see U1, U2, those are the variations of it. You can just uh, get a rough idea how it look likes, and you can just keep click one of the buttons and then wait for a while. You can even close the app, then the app will send you a notification saying your arts are generated. Okay, so let's type just let's just click on U2 and wait. So it's generating, so you can just close your app, and after a while they'll give you a notification saying your art is already generated. So that's how you use Midjourney AI. Thank you.